Many people want the best of both worlds. As you notice here, there are two different types of racks with two different length pins. Okay, these pins being very short and the others being very long. We've just got through running this rack, so what we're going to do is set it aside, and we're going to set the machine up for the larger rack with the longer pins. First thing to change is your work holder at this end. Now the racks are the same length, so we're not going to have to change anything in this area. Put the other jaw in. You have a flat washer, and then the nut that holds the work holder on. At this point, you'll lift the work holder up till it's even with this surface right here, this gray surface. Set this aside. Do not lose this part. You'll need it. At this point, we're going to take and put this rack in the lower part of the machine to start racking parts.
Rod, call extension 244. Rod, call extension 244.
You can look across the two jaws and lower the jaw down because the pins stick up so far. Close the jaws and check your height. Okay, you have almost a ½ inch sticking up out of here. What you want to do is just try and get that down. So you come down about a ½ inch at the far end, and this inch about 1/8 of an inch. So you come down 1/8 of an inch here. Okay, that's pretty good. We got 1/4 and 1/4 here. Okay, so now you're going to run this rack. Again, you run into the same problem you ran in with the other rack, as the center mass on this rack also is right here at this corner right here. Okay, and you've got surfaces sticking out here and here. And again, you're going to end up with a high-low position on this work holder right here. Okay, so what we're doing is we're starting out in the low position on the flat. So you're going to do this flat here, this flat here. And at that point, you're going to have to lift this work holder up a hair. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close the rack up. Okay, you drop all your parts on here. As you notice, this rack has been abused. Okay, all pins should be straight before you take and start using your rack. Okay, so we're going to rotate the rack.